Welcome to RepairSuite. In this quick tutorial, we're going to explore one extremely useful feature inside your RepairSuite dashboard: physical location. This feature helps you organize your repair shop's inventory by storing products, devices, or parts in specific, trackable locations. First, log in to RepairSuite. From the left sidebar, scroll down and click Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll see a menu of options. Click Physical Location. This is your physical location list. Every location you've added appears here, including name, code, description, and creation date. To add a new location, click the plus Add P Location button at the top right. You'll now see a simple form with 3 fields: name, the identifier of your area; code, description. After entering your details, click Create. Your new physical location has been successfully added to the list. Get started with RepairSuite today and enjoy 14 days free.